Peace be upon you, and God's mercy and blessing. Welcome to the channel Understand It Simply with Sumaima Ibrahim. Today, God willing, we will learn how to make any picture we have, whether it's a childhood photo of ours, or a photo of our children, or a photo of one of our friends, talk using AI. But before we start, don't forget to name your devices and pray for the Prophet. And subscribe to the channel, like, and share a lot so the video reaches as many people as possible. Let's get started. The first thing we do is use a website called Runway. When the first result appears, we click on it and enter the site. We scroll down and click on Try. We find that this screen has opened. We start selecting from the menu on the side, or all tools, and I start selecting the third option. Once I click on it, it asks me to choose the one I want. The first video is the one I want, so we'll try with a picture. I'll start selecting it. I had downloaded the picture from the internet, so I'll start by opening it. The images started loading for me. After the download is complete, I find a dialogue here, and then I'll start writing anything in it, because we've already put it in Ramadan. Wishing you all 1,000 blessings every year. May God bring these days back to us with goodness. I'll start writing here, for example, Ramadan. I'll write Ramadan. Happy holidays. And then I'll start writing, for example, the time of Abraham. Well, if you want to write something else, you can come here and say verses. It will open another space for you. You can add other words if you want to, or if you don't, you can just delete it from here easily. And if you want to make changes or edit, you might ask me, Sama, can I upload my own audio here? Yes, but that is a paid feature. Okay, the free part allows me to write the text, and the image will start to speak it. Okay, let's see what will happen. After I started writing, here I choose the voice I want. Of course, you can choose any voice. You can try all the voices as you like. For example, I will choose the last voice and start here. So we chose the voice. And we've written our text, so I'll start. But of course we don't need this, so I'll delete it and click on Generate here. The video starts downloading and it will begin loading. So I don't make the video too long. The video should load quickly. I was about to stop recording and return later, but it seems to be loading quickly, so we'll wait. This will be like a beautiful gift, of course, if we want to congratulate our friends and family by taking a picture of them and writing a message they like, a phrase they love, or even song lyrics, and send it to them before Ramadan. It would be a very beautiful gift. You can also make a video for anyone you want to send a video to. You can also download the video in the same way, and you will write the message you want the video to say, and it will work. Honestly, I will make it for my friends with the photos. Okay, can I pause the video? And once the video finishes downloading, I'll be back. And now the video has finished downloading. Let's see the result. Ramadan Kareem. Wishing you well every year, Sama Ibrahim, from us. We were able to make the picture say the message we wanted. Okay, Sama, so it can't speak anything other than Arabic. What if I want this picture to speak English? No problem. Come here. Let's try to erase and say anything. Like what? Here. Line is. And for example, write Sama. Let's start. Let's generate it. I'll start it here. The second video is loading below it. And look, while it's loading, we can of course download the video we like onto our device. And here if you want to delete it. I come here and find the video loading. Let's see how it will say it in English. And of course, as I told you, you can choose the voice you like. I've tried it myself.
Hello, my name is Sama.
Okay, so our video is finished today. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you can receive all the new updates, and goodbye.